Kuchapat Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Happy to meet you in this quarantine period through this video. Can you guess what is the subject on this video you are going to learn? Yes, exactly. Your guess is correct. The subject is computer science, in which you are going to know about computer and its parts. I think you are familiar with the topic, but anyhow I have to recall it. Here I have defined the meaning of computer. Computer is an electronic device, gets input from the user, processes it, produces the result to the user and stores it for future need. We say computer is an electronic device. Why we say computer is an electronic device? Computer can work with the help of electric power supply. The main functions of the computer can be classified into receiving the input, process, produce the output and store the information. Input is received from the keyboard. The input is processed by the central processing unit and produces the output on the monitor, and it stores in the memory devices. The main parts of a computer can be classified into hardware and software. Remind it, what are the parts of a computer? We say it hardware and software. What is the meaning of hardware? Hardware is the physical elements of a computer system. How can we classify the hardware? That is input unit, processing unit and output unit. Why we say hardware is the tangible? Because we can see, we can touch and we can define the shape of the hardware. Hardware can't work without any software. Basic hardware we know that monitor, keyboard and central processing unit. What is the meaning of software? Software is a collection of instructions that makes the hardware to do a task. The software may be categorized into system software and application software. Softwares are intangible because we can't define its structure. Example, operating system. Some of the hardware we are familiar with are monitor, printer, central processing unit, speaker, keyboard, mouse and microphone. The software may be classified into system software and application software. System software helps the system, that is hardware unit, to do a specific task. Most common example is the operating system. You are familiar with the word Windows, Android and iOS. These are the examples for operating system. Application software, it helps the user to complete or do a specific task. It helps you to draw or type text. Here I have shown some of the input devices, that is keyboard, barcode reader, microphone, scanner, MICR, that is magnetic ink character recognition, light pen, OCR, optical character reader, joystick and USB, Bluetooth and web camera. These are some of the most commonly input devices used on today in various fields. Depends upon the need or depends upon the input we are giving to the processing unit. Next one is the output device. That is monitor. Monitor baby in the form of CRT or TFT. CRT means cathode ray tube. TFT means thin film transistor monitor. Printer, it may be the laser printer or inkjet printer or dot matrix printer. Speaker, that is used to hear the audio. Plotters, it is used to print the graphical form of output. And multimedia projector, that is used to present the presentation to many users. Coin have two faces, we know that. Likewise, computer have both advantages and disadvantages. Based on the need, we have to use the computer. What are the advantages of computer? Speed, accuracy. We can store huge amount of data and it is used for online education, business, entertainment, forecasting the weather, earthquake, eruption are some of the advantages of computer. What are the disadvantages of computer? It causes health issues. It creates flameware. It also allows for cybercrime. These are some of the disadvantages of the computer. It is a time to review your understanding of the video. Here I have given the image. You have to label the parts of the computer. And you also answer the questions which is visualized on this video related to the content you have heard in this video. I have to discuss on the online classes about this. Thank you.